Hi guys, Kevin here. Now, there's a lot of bacteria going around and we've all been washing our hands, trying to fight it, but the problem is that our cell phones are laden with bacteria, so it defeats the purpose. So one way to combat this would be looking into a UV phone sanitizer. So we're going to take a look at the UV Zone phone sanitizer by Sharper Image. We're going to unbox it and see how it works. So let's take a look. Now, it says here, UV light kills up to 99% of germs and bacteria. Fits most smartphones, sanitizes quickly, it's chemical free. Let's see here, sanitize and charge at the same time. Looks like you can sterilize your car keys, credit cards, earbuds. I guess anything that could fit in here. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the box. Let's see, UV light. Sanitize surfaces with powerful UV light, fast, sanitizes surfaces quickly, chemical free, clean your phone or items without harsh chemicals or residue, portable, carry the sanitizer on the go thanks to the compact size, safety, light, automatically shuts off when lid is open. Okay, safety light automatically shuts off when lid is open. UV light technology, UV light with a specific wavelength destroy germs and bacteria. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this thing open. Okay, we have instructions. Okay. Here. We have a USB type A to micro USB cable. Okay. And then we have the device. Or the sanitizer. Let's go ahead and get this open. And we get nothing else with this silica gel. So, okay. So this is it. We have a power button. Looks like there's some lights here. All right, it opens up. Got an iPhone here. And let's go ahead and place it inside. Let's see, we have our USB cable. Let's go ahead and connect this, plug this up. Okay, so now I'm back. And just noticed that this cable is actually for the Sharper Image UV light sanitizer. So plug it in there, and let me go ahead and connect it here so we can get this thing to turn on. So there it is. Let's see. So our first light is beeping, or it's flashing rather. Not sure what it's actually doing here. Let's take a look. Can I see any light? I don't see any light in there. I don't know if you can see that, but the light is on. It's on. It's doing its thing. If I open it any wider, it'll shut off. Go ahead and take a look at the box really quick. Okay. Now I have an iPhone in the box and there are light beams shooting all around my phone, cleaning it, killing the bacteria as it goes through its cycle. Now the cycle is 6 minutes and it's been sped up to prevent this video from being too long. Sorry this one isn't as action-packed as other videos, but you know, just wanted to show how this worked. It's hard to show how it actually cleans because it can't give you scientific data. But if you are interested in the scientific data, I would say go check out Snarman. That's SNAREMAN, and he has a great video on how the UV light kills the bacteria. His video is titled, "Do UV Phone Cleaners Work?" Now, at the time of making this video, you could find this phone sanitizer on Amazon going for $39.99. Okay, so it looks like the cycle has completed. So let me go ahead and take the phone out. Okay, so I would assume it's a bit cleaner. It has a funny smell to it. I'm not sure what that is, but I guess it has to do with the UV light killing the bacteria. Now, I read in the instruction manual where it said that you need to turn the phone over to clean the other side. Of course, we're not going to do that. I mean, this was just a quick demonstration of the product. But yeah, keep your hands clean and keep your phones even cleaner. And for more videos like this, click on the links now.